Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we are making Bale Gatti and let's see how it is made.
ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ
Landscape.
அந்த சம்பந்த வேகம் போட்டு பொடி விட்டு ஏலக்கி சுட்டு
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ.
She put it jaggery and coconut lachi. She will apply the paste on the leaf. Now she nicely putting the steam.
ಎಂತೆಂಥದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Bale Gatti.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಸೆಕೆ ಬಾ
It's ready, it's ready. Okay, finally our finally our Bale Gatti is ready, guys. I think it's time to taste. After a lot of steaming and hard work, it has come out great. Let's see the consistency. Sweet has been melted. Amazing. Just perfect. You can look at the sweet which has been melted here. The one we added, the jaggery, is completely melted and has blended into the batter. It's come out weird, the classic authentic way how it is used to be. So this is it, guys. This is Bale Gatti.